So recently, Google Cloud has started shipping all your swags of 30 days of GCP Cloud. Recently the Quick Labs contest that was going on, and here is the video that I made for the challenge. And if you have completed, swags are coming soon, and I think almost every student are getting on these 2 days, today and tomorrow, almost everyone. So recently, now only at 2 or 3 o'clock, just I got the swags, and those were pretty amazing things. And so let's see it, what and unbox the swags and see the excitement with it. So let's begin this video. This is the Google Cloud bag, and let's see this one. So here are the shirts. This one was the for cloud engineering track, and this is for the data science track, and this is the bag one. And these are the stickers we got from this. So here are the two shirts and one bag.